Every village of Bangladesh is full of extraordinary beauty. In this video of HK Animals and Nature, you will see the amazing beauty of the nature of Bangladesh. Watch the video till the end and enjoy the incredibly beautiful scenery of Bangladeshi villages. Bangladeshi children are very cute and they are always ready to help their family. They are happy for a while. They don't have much demand. The children in the villages are now also well versed in technology. They are all interested in learning. Every person in Bangladesh gives a lot of importance to their work. Which is why Bangladesh is progressing day by day. Which can be seen by comparing the current situation with previous years. This beautiful Bangladesh will impress any tourist. Which you cannot experience unless you come to Bangladesh. Bangladesh is trying to become a developed country. If you look at the rural areas of Bangladesh, you can see how hard-working and eager the farmers of Bangladesh are to produce crops. They are producing crops following many ancient rules. Boil the rice. Later it is dried again in the sun and taken home, with which they have to go on until the next crops is produced. So everyone is drying the paddy in the sun and keeping it in the village paddy storage place. From which some part will be sold in the market and eat by themselves. They cultivate paddy, domestic cattle, goats, sheep, buffaloes, chickens, etc. Moreover, they are always smiling and happy. In the village, they shared their hard work with a smile. And in all of them, they find joy. This is the scene of the people of some low-income villages in Bangladesh. Saying that, you cannot think that the whole country is poor, because there are many rich people in Bangladesh. We will show you many moments of their homes and lives through documentaries in the next video. So if you are interested to see them, also you can subscribe our channel and press bell button.